Hello everyone, in this video I will explain the main features of the WordBinary Similarity Report and how a user, teacher, supervisor, or institution can read it properly. First, we will review the interactive report which a user can see from his dashboard by simply clicking onto the similarity percentage. Here you have the option to exclude any match that you believe should not have been included. You can download the updated report from here. This is a WordBinary Plagiarism and Similarity report. At the top, we can see the report title, the date and time when the report was generated, and the report file name. This helps identify when the document was checked and which uploaded file the report belongs to. The first important feature is report verification. WordBinary includes a QR code in the report. Anyone reviewing the document can scan this QR code to open and verify the original WordBinary Plagiarism Report. This is useful for checking whether the report is authentic and has not been edited or misrepresented. Next, we have the executive summary. This section gives the most important results in one place. It shows the document word count, a number of analyzed sentences, the number of matched items, the final similarity percentage, and the final assessment. In this sample report, the document has 270 words, 17 analyzed sentences, 3 matched items, and a final similarity score of 18.75%. The final assessment is shown as low similarity. The executive summary also shows technical and review settings. For example, it shows the software version, whether the bibliography was excluded, whether the quotes were excluded, how many matching words were found, whether any URL or domain exclusions were applied, whether citation issues were found, and whether text manipulation was detected. These details are important because they help explain how the final result was calculated. The next feature is within document similarity. This section checks whether the submitted document repeats the same sentence or phrase within the document itself. It looks for repeated sentences of 5 or more words. In this sample report, no within document similarity was found. This means the document does not appear to contain repeated internal content that would affect the review. After that, we have citation and reference validation. This section checks whether the in-text citations in the document appear to match entries in the reference or bibliography section. It supports common citation styles such as author date, numeric, page-based, and legal or footnote style citations where the markers are visible in the extracted text. In this sample, the report found a reference section and detected 3 in-text citations. However, it found 0 matched citations and 3 missing citation references. The report also gives examples of missing citations, such as NASA 2024, NOAA 2024, and IPCC 2023. This helps the user identify citation problems quickly and correct the reference list before final submission. The next feature is the document integrity or manipulation check. This checks whether the document contains suspicious formatting or hidden manipulation, such as hidden text, white text, invisible Unicode, or suspicious mixed script characters. In this sample, the result is no, which means no such manipulation indicators were detected. Now let us move to the interpretation section. This section explains the similarity percentage in simple language. In this report, WordBinary found 18.75% similarity based on highlighted text coverage across the analyzed document. It also explains that the report preserves the original document flow and uses numbered references for matched text. The highlighted text feature is very important. Each highlighted sentence uses a source color, and the same color is shown beside the matching similarity node. A superscript number is also used to connect the highlighted text with the matching source node. This makes it easier to see exactly which part of the document matched which source. The report also includes an academic integrity statement. This statement explains that the report is designed to support academic integrity review and plagiarism assessment procedures. It also makes clear that matching text does not automatically mean plagiarism or academic misconduct. The final decision should always be made by the institution, faculty member, supervisor, examination committee, or authorized academic authority. Next, we have similarity notes. This section lists the match sources one by one. For each source, the report shows the source link, source type, match percentage, similarity contribution, number of matched items, and the matched text. For example, this sample report includes journal sources and an internet source. This helps the reviewer understand where the similarity came from. The similarity contribution is especially useful. It shows how much each source contributed to the final similarity score. For example, one source may contribute 6.62%, another may contribute 6.25%, and another may contribute 5.88%. This is more useful than only showing a single total similarity percentage because it breaks down the result source by source. The next feature is source coverage. This section groups the matches by source category. In this sample, the report shows matches from journals and internet sources, while books have 0 matches. This helps institutions or reviewers understand whether the similarity is coming from academic publications, websites, books, or other source categories. After that, the report includes important notes. These notes explain that the final similarity percentage should be treated as a document support indicator, not as a final misconduct decision. They also remind users to review highlighted text, source context, citations, quotations, paraphrasing, headings, references, and institutional rules before making any conclusion. The report also includes a tip to reduce similarity risk. This section gives practical advice to the student or author. It recommends reviewing every highlighted section against the matched source, checking whether the overlap is acceptable, adding proper citations where required, using quotation marks for copied wording, and rewriting content in a natural academic voice where necessary. Another important section is the compliance and limitation notice. This explains that WordBinary reports are designed to support academic integrity workflows used by universities, colleges, research institutions, educational organizations, publishers, and training providers. It also clarifies that the report should not be treated as a standalone determination of plagiarism, misconduct, authorship, or originality. The copyright and confidentiality notice explains that the report may contain confidential academic material. Therefore, distribution, reproduction, or publication of the report should follow institutional policies, copyright rules, and data protection requirements. Finally, the report includes the original submitted document text. This allows the reviewer to see the content that was checked and connected with the similarity results. The original document page also shows where the matched references apply. So, in summary, the WordBinary Similarity Report is not just a percentage report. It includes verification, executive summary metrics, internal repetition checks, citation validation manipulation checks, interpretation, highlighted text guidance, source-wise similarity notes, source category coverage, academic integrity disclaimers, confidentiality notices, and the original document text. Together, these features help users review similarity more carefully, correct citation issues, and make better academic integrity decisions.